What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I have two RSXs in front of me. They are the same exact car with the same exact motor, and they even have the same exact tune on them. They're both 02 to 04 RSX Type S's, and they both have the K20A2 stock motor in them. The only difference that they have for power mods is the exhaust system. My car has a PLM header with a NVIDIA N1 exhaust, and John's car has a Skunk 2 header with a Greddy TIC catback. If you're new, the blue one is mine and the gray one is my buddy John's. Obviously they look very different, but below the surface they're the exact same car. So basically what we're going to be finding out is which car out of these two sounds better. They both have pop tunes on them, burble tunes, whatever you want to call it, backfire tunes. They both have the exact same tune from K-Pro. It's a bass map that I edited myself to give it the pops and bangs. They also both have two-step set at the exact same limiter at 4,000. So we're going to be testing both of those out. Okay, so without any further ado, let's see which car sounds better. This is the same car with the same tune with a different exhaust setup. So, that was pretty obnoxious.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, this is awkward. So yeah, that was the difference in the two. Last time we did this video, everyone was kind of like, said that mine sounded like ricier, or like, it's like higher pitched, I guess. And that John's was like deeper and like, sounds kind of like, your car kind of sounds like a Subaru.
Does it?
Sometimes. Yeah, it's like way deeper. So, but we don't really know. With the pops, it might be different. You never know. So, just like last time, let me know down in the comments which car you thought sounded better. Was it John's RSX, aka the gray one, or Roy's RSX, aka the blue one? You can say blue or gray, or you can say Roy or John's. Okay. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Which one did you like more? Like which one sounded better? Any other thoughts?
Thoughts? Choose your fighter.
Oh my god. Eat it. How loud was it?